Hey everyone, Mixer Dude Tech here, and today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be adding a new program to our Google Slide OS. I haven't done this series in a while, so I should get back to it. So here we go. In this video, I'm going to add a relaxation program. This is about the same one as in the my original operating system, the one that's showing my Google Slide OS. So yeah, we're going to be adding a relaxation program, so let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the operating system. So what we're going to do is we are going to go down here to the desktop, which is right here. What I'm going to do, and you can follow along if you want to create this yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new shape in the taskbar over here. Whoop. You can make it as big or as large as you want. You can do it down. It could be, you can put some text in it. It could be any icon, but what I would recommend is putting it black. I'm trying to emulate Windows. So what you can do is you can put text in here. You can put an icon in here. You can do whatever you want. But I'm just gonna do MR for Mixer Relax. And what you want, if it's black, what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to make it matching color, or the opposite color as the color you chose for the background on the taskbar. So for this example, I'm going to make this text white. Boop. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is if you want to do it faster, assuming you've been following along in the previous videos, you can duplicate the slide and get rid of everything on this slide. Every single thing. Actually, if you want to, you can put this down here. Select everything. Next can stay. All gone. And then you can put this back. But what I would recommend is putting this as a full screen program. So you go up here. Down here. And like this. And then move the X button up here. And of course move this up here as well. Now you have a full screen program. Of course, this is going to be the relaxation program. So I'm going to add a little YouTube video. So what you're going to want to do, you can also add music as well. So what I recommend is I'm going to put a little button here. That was here. And put start relaxing. Do a button if you want. Or you can make the background whatever you want. But I'd recommend is gradient color. So like this is good. You can do whatever. But on my other OS I use this color. But you can use whatever color you want. So like this one's good. Or this one. What's a relaxing color? Blue? This blue? This blue. Looks like my OS. I'm like, I'll do yellow. That works. It's not relaxing, but still. Put some text here. I'm going to do select the options you want. Then hit the button below to start. Period. And that's what I'm talking about. Now what you're going to do, you can duplicate the slide for later. Of course, remove the text. Boop. And remove this. Boop. And actually, what I recommend is, I know this is already done, but you can duplicate. If you haven't done it yet, you could duplicate the slide from the before you got all the buttons in and stuff. So you can add some text in this little box, which is going to be the button. Add start to it. And align the text with it as best you can. And then yeah. And on this slide, what I'd recommend is I'd put the X box and the button. I don't want it that big. Is putting the X over here and get rid of this. And make sure you do have, okay, the link's in there. So make sure you have the link. Now what I'd recommend is putting a little box right here. Of buttons. Now this box can be whatever color you want. And you can go as far as you want. Just make sure this text is on top of the box. If it's not, what you do is right click and press order, press bring to front. And now it should be fine. And then we move this over here, and then make this the matching color. For this example, it's white. Now I'm going to add music in here. So, what we're going to want to do is click music. Let's add music. And make this the matching color. Oh, be careful not to select the highlight option. You need to select the actual text option. Boop. There you go. I didn't press transparent. There you go, that's better. Now what this is going to do is this is going to bring you back to slide 23, which is the original open program. So we're going to add a relaxing YouTube video in. So let me see here. Relaxing clouds background. Search. And if you want to add music yourself, just make sure it doesn't have any built-in music. Like this one. Does not have built-in music. So this is the one we're going to use. So make this full screen over here. And then what we want to do is get it all the way over here. Sure, it's a little wide, but that's okay. Now back in this, what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate it. This counts as one. Actually, this counts as no music at all. So how many songs there are, you're going to want to duplicate it that many times. So for example, there's 2 songs, you're going to duplicate this 2 times. So I'm going to add 2 songs. So I'm going to duplicate this twice. And of course, I forgot to add the link, so give me a second. Now quickly, while I was adding the link, I discovered that makes it blue. So what you're going to do is what I recommend to make it more detailed. I would make this the original color and turn off underlined. Alright. So far we have a really good relaxing program. Next, now you're going to want to add the actual songs. So what you're going to do is you don't have to do exactly this, but do something really close. Add a little box here. Or if you want, you can just do it with the original background. But you can do whatever you like. So you can go back to the gradient. Or you can just do custom color, the same one as this. So you can do bright yellow. And then what we're going to do is add some buttons, more buttons. So we're going to do, and make sure it's not the same color, make sure it's the color you like. So, you can do song 1. And then match it up in the middle as best you can. And then we're going to add another. Actually, if you want, you can actually duplicate this. So, you press, oh, I guess there's no duplicate button. So just duplicate both of these, or copy them. Or if you want to just do it all manually. Again, you can even these up and make the color the same. And add song 2. And then even it out. Just like that. And then these, you can link these up with slide 25. And then you go to slide 26. Boop, boop. Not slide 2, oops. No, slide 26. Better. And down here, if you want, you can just say no music. So you can move this up here. Match these up is what I would recommend doing. Alright, and if it's not in here, I just bring the front. Not that. The button. Come on, man. Alright, well. Bring the front. Oh boy, we got a problem on our hands. Problem has been solved. Now what you do is do that. Even all this out. And even this out. Whoop. It's a little bit more down. I'll try and just even this out as best I can. And there you go. That's it. And this will link to slide 24. And I got all 3 linked. I already got all these linked. Every single one. What I did is just link the 2 slides down here and then duplicate it. So, yeah. Now, the songs that you want to add, you put the video. So I'm assuming your song that you want is on YouTube. So, or you can download it and put an audio, which is better in my opinion. But if you're too lazy to, that's okay. Just put a song you want. For example, I'm gonna do a song. Okay, just song. And then you put your song in, whatever. So, there you go. That's pretty much how you do it. So far, not so far. This is actually a really good YouTube video of us, and this is a good relaxation program that we made. Now, what you can do, so we're almost done. There's one last thing to do, and that is link this taskbar button up with the slide number that the original program is. Let me do slide 23. And there you go. Now, presenting it won't work with this, so give me a second to figure stuff out. Now, here we are on display capture. So, let's present it. So, here we are on the OS. So Mixer Relax, you can open this up, and you can select song 1, and as soon as you put a song here, the song should play, and then you play the video, and then just view the relaxation. View it. If you click music, it takes you back, so you can select your song. So song number 2 takes you to a different slide number than the other one, so it will play a different song. And no music will take you to the version with no music. And this X button will take you out and exit back to the desktop. And that, my friends, is how you create a full screen relaxation program in a Google Slide OS. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out wilsonsysl.com, and check out my Discord server at ds.mixerdude.com. Or, if it's better, you can scan this QR code and it will take you right there. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.